Every year, millions of people dream of getting a job working for the NHS. With unprecedented demand on NHS services, over 100,000 vacancies, and more than 3 million job applicants, transforming the way NHS trusts recruit and onboard staff is becoming critical to achieving workforce goals over the coming years. For many people applying for jobs in the NHS, waiting weeks for an outcome is simply too long. And with the current cost of living, many candidates can't afford to wait for their dream job and instead apply elsewhere, often dropping out of the process altogether. In the world of recruitment, time is of the essence, but many recruitment teams find themselves overwhelmed by burnout, rising temporary staffing costs, and growing volumes of vacancies and applicants. This is why the NHS 10-year health plan and the Future of HR and OD report have identified Agentic Process Automation as a key driver in helping trusts transform HR operations for today's digital world. NHS trusts have been using the Agentic Process Automation Platform to create and share highly replicable automation accelerators for recruitment and onboarding. Agentic Process Automation liberates staff from tedious tasks and allows them to focus on meaningful work that enhances skills, increases job satisfaction, and, importantly, creates more time for hiring managers and candidates. By augmenting recruiters with AI-powered agents, their day has been transformed for the better. Our Agentic Process Automation solutions help recruiters navigate systems, post jobs, screen candidates, process offers and contracts, and much more, speeding up recruitment from months to weeks. The result is a seamless, efficient process for recruiters and a faster response for eager candidates. In less than 12 months, one NHS trust reduced average time to hire from nearly 13 weeks to just 9 weeks, cut pre-employment check processing time in half, and released more than 24,000 hours of staff time back to the team. Trusts can also reduce interim staffing costs and create thousands of hours of additional patient-facing time for medical staff, while improving both candidate and recruiter experience. The transformation of recruitment and onboarding for the NHS is not just about streamlining processes. It's about focusing on what truly matters: the people.